Greetings, I am Dhruvangi. Our project is IoT-based smart plant water monitoring system. My group members are Prishita Sinha and Anand Yadav. We have done this project under the guidance of Archana Chaugale ma'am, and simulation is implemented in user-friendly Tinkercad simulator. Our system aims to replace manual process and provide an efficient use amount of water to plants without human intervention. Components used are the Arduino Uno R3 Dual Inline Package DIP 80 Mega 328 AVR microcontroller. It has 20 input-output pins. 6 can be used as PWM outputs and 6 can be used as analog inputs. To reduce circuit complexity, we have used DC motor waste water pump along with diodes, transistors, and resistors. To limit the amount of current going through the components in the circuit, it has two LEDs. One is positive and the another one is negative. We connect we connect them directly to the Arduino board. Then it will damage the board. To overcome this problem, NPN transistor is used to control the switching activity of the motor. The temperature sensor LM35 senses the temperature and converts it into an electrical signal. We have also integrated LCD with Arduino to provide user interface. I request Anand to take it further. Anand,
I will explain the
Anand,
stimulation part. Ruwangi, please start the stimulation process.
yes.
Now you can see on the screen is the stimulation process is started. As you can see, if the temperature is below 50 degree, the water pump will be off and it will be LED will be green. It will show the green signal. And if the it be above the 50 degrees, then the water pump will be on and it will be show the red LED as you can see on the screen. Drawing, can you show the code?
Yes, it is visible.
As you can see, there's LM35 is A0 LED. LED red is 13 and LED green is 12. If the temperature is below 50, the motor will be on, LED red will be on, and LED green will be low. Else, the motor will be off, LED red will be off, LED green will be on. Otherwise, now further part will be explained by Pritisha.
hello guys, I'm Prishita and I'm going to talk about the advantages of our project. Firstly, IoT-based smart plant water monitoring is fully automated. It reduces the manual process, that is, no human intervention would be needed. Optimized use of water would be taken care of. Then it also sees the efficient use of time is done. Then I'll talk about the future scope of IoT-based smart plant water monitoring system. This type of system can be implemented on projects like green building concepts, roof farming, gardening, etc. Using sprinklers or drip emitters or a combination of both, we will design a system that is ideal for every plant in our yard. Therefore, we found that there is plenty of possible things for housing IoT that can be done in future, and improvement can be achieved. I would like to conclude by saying that the plant owner can monitor the process online on his own mobile device. Through this project, it can be concluded that there can be considerable development in gardening with the use of IoT and automation. Thus, the system is support potential solution to the problems faced in the existing manual and cumbersome process of gardening by enabling efficient utilization of water resources. The motive of the project is to make an automatic plant watering system which can alert the user from time, and it can be achieved. User can be notified by an email when moisture level is low. Thus, this automated system using IoT is found to be cost effective for enhancing the techniques and to optimize them. This will help people by working automatically, and thank you.